Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
A clicking sound in your microwave isn't always a problem. It often comes from the door latch or turntable motor. But if the clicking is loud, constant, or there's sparks or smells, stop using it immediately. These signs could mean a faulty magnetron or diode, and you should call a professional for repairs. Safety first.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.